अमरीकी सदर डोनाल्ड ट्रंप ने ऐलान किया है कि अब ईरान के साथ मुज़ाकरात आमने सामने नहीं बल्कि फ़ोन पर होंगे। मुज़ाकरात में पेशरफ्त का दावा करते हुए ट्रंप ने यह भी कहा कि ईरान जंग के मकासद हासिल कर लिए हैं। दूसरी जानब अमरीकी हुकाम ये कहते हैं कि ईरान को $6 अरब से ज़ायद का नुकसान हुआ, जो उसके लिए एक बहुत बड़ा धचका है। अमरीकी फ़ौज ने ईरान के खिलाफ मुख्तसर और ताकतवर हमलों का मंसूबा भी बना लिया।
Anymore with 18-hour flights every time we want to see a piece of paper. We're doing it telephonically, and it's very nice. I make a call, or I have my people make a call, and you know the answer. I always like face-to-face. I consider it better. But when you have to fly 18 hours every time you want to have a meeting, and you know what the meeting's all about, and you know they're going to give you a piece of paper that you don't like before you even leave. It's ridiculous. They've come a long way. The question is whether or not they're going to go far enough. So at this moment, there will never be a deal unless they agree that there will be no nuclear weapons. Iran, the same thing. I mean, militarily, we've wiped them out. They have no military left. It's all, the Navy's at the bottom of the sea. The Air Force is never going to fly again. We've got an amazing military. Now they have to cry uncle. That's all they have to do. Just say, we give up. We give up. But their economy is really in trouble.